Prepare your veggies as if you were going to add it to a real turkey. With a scraper, design your turkey shape. You could also use a serrated knife. This makes a beautiful centerpiece for your Thanksgiving table. Here I'm curling the arms, shaping the turkey, and for the neck, make a little V shape. What I do, I put extra dough that I have under the breast of the turkey just to give it that height. Lift your turkey carefully and put it on your parchment paper in your foil pan. Here I'm doing the feet and I'm forming like a roll. I olive oiled my bread. Hey, I'm ticklish! And added paprika and herbs. You can use any herbs you like, oregano or cilantro, parsley. This gives it a little bit of color, making the turkey look a little real. The lemon, I put it in between the turkey's feet so that it won't stick together, to separate the feet. And I did the same with the neck, so the shape will stay. So here's our cooked turkey bread. Now the fun part is decorating it. You can put it on a flat tray and put any veggies you'd like. See you again. Thank you for joining me.